it is Thursday, so day one of Colossalcon East. So I flew all the way back here and we got all of Vox Machina together for Thursday. And we're at the waterfall, which I've never been before, but it's like the highlight of CC East like locations. So yeah, taking photos, changing into swimsuit versions of all of these cosplays. The usual Colossalcon fare. So look forward to more groups and swimsuits, I guess.
Oh, you got your spare one.
I got my spare one. Because that one's kind of hard to see because it's black.
This isn't a photo, this is a video. So now you guys are just going back and forth. 3, 2, 1.
Oh my gosh! She's bald! She's bald and she's torturing people who have hair!
3, 2, 1.
They were fake?
Of course they were fake.
That had to be so
perfect.
That's the end of formal Vox Machina. Woo! And now we are casual Vox Machina, or at least I am, and going to meet up with the rest. And Bill's in civilian clothes, and I got my waterproof pouch, so there may or may not be water park footage depending on if we make it in time before night swim. But we're going to eat right now, and so oh my god, Keelan!
I was like,
Keelan!
what's I'm like, Percy? He's like, oh yeah, Percy! It's literally wearing a shirt that says, I'm Percy.
Oh my god, it's Keelan!
I'm Keelan.
Oh my god, it's Keelan! 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 Oh my god, Keelan! Oh my god, I'm Keelan! We're in line for 18 plus dating game. We are in line for the 18 plus dating game because we're not. It is 18 plus. We have, yes. Because we're not paying for night swim for tonight, and so we're doing panels and events. So
I believe 2 is our winner. Thank you all so much for
we are coming up on the end of day one, and I'm squishing my fake ear. We did a lot, and it's just Thursday, but it feels like a Friday because we did so much. We did a lot of photos, we went to panels, Keyleth won the dating game, we hung out, yeah, just general fun con stuff. Full Vox Machina is always a treat, and I think the photos are gonna come out phenomenal from today. So I think it's time to take this makeup off and go to sleep, and I'll be doing Dungeons and Dragons again tomorrow. I have swam, I have eaten, I have changed out of Imogen to some swim variant to swim. And now it's time to get back into Imogen because I'm going to a chainmail panel, actually, to learn at a party con because multi-classing, says Bill. So hopefully I'm able to do chainmail after this. But yeah, time to go learn. And then I think it's probably swim time again. So I've already taken off the wig. So you can imagine that means it is time to change soon. I went to a chainmail panel and I learned to make chainmail. So super fun. Went through the marketplace, the artist alley, and the dealers. And wasn't super impressed, to be honest. But maybe Colossalcon knows that people spend a lot of money just to get here already. So maybe they don't beef up vendors that much. But it's okay. I probably shouldn't be spending that much money anyway. And I got like one thing. But yeah, time to change into a group cosplay to go swimming again. But this time we paid for the late night swim, which is like $40 per day add-on extra. So we only paid for tonight. And should be good. Hello, we're back at it again with another cosplay change. This time for the swim, and this time for a dungeon meshy group. So naturally I am Fallon, and yeah, red swimsuit, all you need, Fallon. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. All of us. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ah! Go, go, go! I can't pull it. Get it. It'd be gross. Good night, Dungeon Meshi. It is day 3. I am just finished getting ready and it's noon, but to be fair, I woke up at 10. And it is raining, which is not good for Kyoshi Warrior makeup outside, but we'll see. Now to go get the rest of Team Avatar. Baby girl.
What's up, baby girl? I saw you from across the water tribe, and I was like, women? They're pretty okay in my book.
Wow, he's so progressive.
Watch live action.
We are outside, threading the gap in the rain. It is still windy as hell, and slightly raining, but we're doing our best. So this will turn out good. We have a great photographer. The rain will hold off. Hello, we're back inside. We're posting up, which in cosplay lingo means we're sitting in the hallway waiting for people to ask us for photos. But it worked.
It worked. It worked really
So
well so far.
now we're just waiting for Sako to come back, and then we're doing photos round 2.
There he is.
We have a ton! We don't have one! Oh my god! We found it! So, I did like 3 shoots today, including one of them climbing into the waterfall. And I tried a new strategy for the face paint because I've been doing this for way too long. And this is the most comfortable and effective at staying on long term and looks good balance I've found. So you could slather yourself in Mayron's Clown White. Then it's really uncomfortable and your pores hate you. But what I tried is I did alcohol-based makeup on my upper lip because that's what sweats first. And then I did white tinted foundation from Sunset Makeup everywhere else. And then I did a layer of the Mayron Clown White on top of that. So my skin wasn't feeling the Mayron. And I also think I didn't smell quite as much like Mayron. So. But yeah, let's see how much I can take off with makeup wipes, but still leave enough on to have some makeup for the swim. We are in the hot tub. It is almost the end of normal swim. How we feeling?
Very hot.
It's very hot. And we're gonna go to dinner after. And then the emo rave.
I love being emo. I love Gerard Way's my life, you know? Hey, if you like Gerard Way, like and subscribe, yo.
I will have the avatar.
That's it. That's money, baby.
Does it go? Want to go?
Just go. Hello?
Oh, come on! What the
That's it.
Let's go zoom up. Get that ball grab. It's like right on top. What the heck?
Good morning. It's sunny. I'm using my tray as a umbrella. We're with Bill.
Hello.
We just packed the car. I'm doing some Maid Shadow Heart because I want to be Baldur's Gate, but I don't want to commit to the bit too hard yet. So we packed up the car, which if anyone is a pro gamer, they put all the heavy stuff in the car the night before, walk down the stairs so they don't have to wait for the elevator while everyone's trying to leave.
Or you get up at 8 a.m.
Or get up at 8 a.m., but I'm not doing that. And then just pack all the light stuff in the car, which is what we did. So we took the stairs, no wait, but I saw a lot of people waiting for the elevator. So now we're going to the flea market, which is unique to Colossalcon East.
Pretty much.
And I have no idea what else, but at least that.
Tadpoles, get your tadpoles, free tadpoles, get your tadpoles, tadpoles, get your tadpoles, grab one, take it, take it, this Velcro, take your tadpoles.
Thank you so much.
Tadpoles, get your tadpoles, we got 3 tadpoles, grab one, take it.
Who are the tadpoles? Tadpoles.
Take it.
100%. Awesome.
Tadpole, last tadpole, go once, go twice, get the last tadpole.
What's his name? Feel it. Here it is. And Miguel.
Miguel! We have left the con at approximately 4-ish o'clock, and we're tired and did a lot. Overall, I rate it pretty high. It's kind of expensive, but if you do everything, then you get your money's worth. Yeah, going to the water park and waterfall and everything in general makes it worth it. And yeah, so thanks, Colossalcon. Good morning. I just covered the lens. Okay.
we love content.
Good morning. It's Friday. Good morning. It's Friday. Good morning. It's Friday. Bill said chainmail power walk. I don't think I could do that. But we'll try. Casual.
That is not content.
There you go. There's the feast.
Hey, welcome to my wake up tutorial.